G'day guys, it's Edward here from Magills Butchery in Taumuru.
Hi, I'm Fiona from Beef and Lamb New Zealand.
Today we're going to be going through some recipes to use our super versatile pulled beef and pulled lamb. Today's recipe is a pulled beef banh mi. It's a traditional Vietnamese dish served with lots of crunchy vegetables. It can be served as bite-sized finger food or as a whole roll as a full meal.
And the great thing is when you bring beef to a meal like banh mi is that you're going to get some really good nutrition. So with New Zealand beef we're going to get some iron, zinc, vitamin B12, all important for energy levels and supporting your immunity. And this dish of banh mi is going to provide about half of an adult's protein needs.
Right guys, let's get into it. We're going to prep up our ingredients. We've got some French stick here, our Magills pulled beef. We've got a Japanese mayo, radish, some ginger, garlic, carrot, cucumber and coriander if you like coriander. You just want to slice your cucumber thinly, julienne your carrots, slice your radish and garlic and grate your ginger. And slice your French stick into 4.
So heating up the Magills pulled beef is super easy and there's multiple ways of doing it. But today we're going to heat it through with some ginger and garlic in the frying pan. And just like that, we're ready to put it together. We're going to take some of that beautiful pulled beef, pop it on the bread, top it with the vegetables, and then add some aioli or Japanese mayonnaise and some coriander if you like it. There's always parsley or mint if you prefer.
And there you have it, a beef banh mi ready in under 10 minutes. You can either serve these whole or cut them in half and serve them as an entree or a small lunch.
And to find this recipe and others using pulled beef and lamb, go to recipes.co.nz or check out Instagram, Facebook or YouTube for Magills Butchery or Beef and Lamb New Zealand.